Made of high-quality material. Good quality product. Designed for easy use. Product type. Car electronics. Package dimensions. 9.0 L by 5.75 WX 1.75 H. Country of origin. China. Package weight. 2.0 lbs. Top reviews from the United States. Never had noise issues. Absolute must if installing multiple amps. Have successfully used this PAC interface 3 times now with no issues, working on a 4th. I'm a professional installer for 25+ years. I've been around the industry and PAC has always been a great resource for high-end interface products. I don't know what the other reviews have done to introduce noise. All I can figure is they have the aftermarket amps adjusted incorrectly. A highs amp turned up to high will always introduce noise. This interface creates a high volt output, at least 4 volts. If the highs amp is of decent quality, it should barely have the gain turned up, if at all. Remember everyone, the gain on an amp isn't an output control. It's only meant to match input voltages. Great product, thanks again PAC.